All right, I know it's simple to compare your life to those people who are extremely wealthy, extremely rich, and look at their situations and then look at yours and feel like you are not amounting to whatever it is that you wish to amount to in your life. One thing you have to understand is at the end of the day, those same individuals have the same 24 hours that we have in a day. They don't have more time than us. They don't have less time than us. See, what's important is how you use your time. What do you focus on? You see, that is so pivotal. Like every day, a lot of us are going through the day just floating, you know. We're just allowing our subconscious to run the day, and we're not putting any conscious effort into what we're doing. So by the time you come home at the end of the day, you realize, hey, I didn't really accomplish nothing because you weren't doing anything. You were just living. And that's what happens. People get stuck living day to day, paycheck to paycheck, and they never amount to the greatness that they know they have in them. And I know you have greatness in you. So what I need you to do, I need you to start taking accountability for yourself and pay attention to what you focus on. What are you focusing on in the day? Is it celebrity gossip? Is it social media? Is it television? Is it sports on TV? All those things are great to escape, but that's the problem. We are trying to escape way too much. We need to really hone in on our talents and the things that we are great at, the things that we love to do, and we need to focus on those. We need to let go of our escape traits, all the social media, all the external stimuli that doesn't even matter, that doesn't bring anything extra into your life. We need to let all that stuff go and focus on what's important now. You want to win? You need to focus on what's important now. That's how you win. What you focus on is extremely important because whatever you focus on, that is what expands into your life. If you spend all your days focusing on external stimuli that does not matter at all, then what's going to happen is you're going to see days, weeks, months, years just flying by, like just time is gone, and you're going to be upset. You're going to look back and realize, hey, I don't have anything to show for the last 3 years, the last 5 years, the last 10 years. We see so many other people in those positions, but we never ask ourselves, how did that type of person or how did that person get into that position? Well, it's simple. That person got into that position because of what that person focuses on or what that person used to focus on. And chances are he or she is still focusing on the same external stimuli that does no good into their lives. Whenever you focus on whatever you wish to become, the greatness that you know you can be, when you focus on that greatness, situations and opportunities start to manifest into your life that will help you reach that great level. So what I want you to do from here on out is every day, as much as you can, wean yourself away from all the external stimuli that does not help you in life. Wean yourself away from all of the people who are pulling you down, all of the people who are not helping you reach your goals. Wean yourself away from the mental thoughts that are telling you that you can't be the greatness that you know that you can be. The greatness that you see inside of yourself, but sometimes you may not know how to get there. This is how you get there. You have to pull yourself away from all of the external stimuli that does not matter. So when you do that, there's going to be a void. Now we're going to replace that void with positivity. We're going to replace that void with focusing on what's important now. We're going to replace that void with motivation. We're going to replace that void with activities that push you closer and closer to your goals. I need you to be accountable. I'm doing the same thing. So I'm going to be accountable for myself. You be accountable for yourself, and we be accountable for each other. Let's work together and let's make this work. I believe in you.